Welcome to the Home Buying Adventure Series. Congratulations on making the decision to start your home buying journey. My name is Team Petruzzi with Team Petruzzi of RE at the Crossing. Buying a home should never be scary. If you align yourself with the right team, the entire home buying journey should be informative, fun, and relatively stress-free. The first step in your journey is to meet with a reputable mortgage lender to determine your budget for your new home. The process can be started online, providing some basic information on the lender's secure website. Once completed, the lender will start gathering more information like your credit score, your employment, bank statements, your income to debt ratio, and more. After you and your lender have met, you'll receive a pre-approval letter. At this point, you're ready to meet with a licensed realtor to begin your home buying quest. I will break down every step in this exciting adventure so you can have a better idea of what to expect from start to finish. If you have any questions about the home buying process that I haven't covered in this series, please don't hesitate to contact me at mary@teampetruzzi.com and feel free to call or text me at 317-370-5509. Shall we begin? Let's get started.